Like, ang dami kong tanong. Isa na dun yung paano
Sige,
kayo
ano yun?
nagbabanyo?
Yun nga, paano kayo
Yan,
nagbabanyo?
that's number one. Paano yun?
Okay, so yes, there is a camera in the
Sa
bathroom.
banyo?
Both. So there are 2 bathrooms. Dati kasi one was toilet, one was bath. Ngayon, both have toilet and bath para mas madaming nakakagamit. May camera, but for security purposes siya. So hindi siya yung camera like nakikita mo sa house na nakaka-close up, super clear. Para lang siyang lipstick camera. Parang CCTV. Tapos ang placement niya ay, kunyari ito yung toilet. Nandito. So when you're in the toilet,
Hindi
technically
kita.
ang kita is here lang and the rest of the bathroom.
So for safety lang siya.
For safety siya kasi in the earlier seasons, nung hindi pa masyadong gamay ng tao kung ano yung PBB, dun sila pupunta sa banyo to connive, mag-uusap, ganyan. Or when things get heated, like I believe sa season namin merong nangyaring ganon and in, I think season 3, pag medyo sobrang high ng emotion ng isang tao, magbabanyo. So the bathroom also doesn't have a lock. The bathroom only has a occupied and vacant. Kasi hindi pwede mag-lock kasi you might do something inside na
hindi pwede.
harm. So kaya may camera para if something happens, rinig namin, well, ng master control room at nakikita. Yun.